Okay, so I have a number of month here, course 1 to 12, basically because there's only 12 months. But I do not want it in numbers. Okay, I do not want this in numbers. So what can I do? Okay, of course, you can write a very sophisticated if statement. Right? But there's actually another way. Right, there's actually another way. Let's say we use a formula to try to play around with this. Okay. I want to convert all this one to text. So, all right. So I work on the text first. Okay. And point it. Okay. And point this to where you want to get the data from. All right. But I need a format. So let's say we give the format, okay, for yeah, because month, okay, and I can copy it down, okay. Oh, okay, because this one is B, okay, so this one should be B3, B4, B5, B6, B7, B8, B9. But why is it all January? The reason is because it is still not taking this as the month. Right? It's still not taking this as the month. Okay, let me just, so you can see. So here's a trick. You need to do a little bit of magic by multiplying it with 29. Uh, you will see the effect. It's still January, right? But of course, this one, I will copy it down. And you will see Feb, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. This is because they are taking this actually as the date. Right? They are actually taking this as the day. Okay. And as they are taking it as the day, right, when you multiply it by 29, you are pushing a very big date, which it will be converted into month. Okay. It works. Okay. It works. So that's all I can. All right. As long as it works, simplify my job, then I can go home